What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel Barry's Drawing Club. In today's video we will be drawing Gale, the new character from Brawl Stars. Okay, let's get started. First we draw the beanie head. And then put a little dot here. And half a circle on the top. Now we start moving to the frozen eyebrow. Now the eyes, draw two squares here. This in the middle of the frozen eyebrow. Color in black. And then we need the nose. Nose is a little big. And then this mustache. Now the scarf. Now moving on, we will be drawing the body. Little fat. Now the legs. The shoes. Another one. Now the hands. He's wearing gloves, so we will be drawing the glove. Just put it right here. Another hand and prepare for his weapon. A little big and put another circle here. Now the hose. And the palm grabbing the weapon. Just put little accessories here. Buttons. Two circles, and congratulations, you just have a drawing of Gale from Brawl Stars. Stay tuned for the next videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.